All of you are feeling well. जैसा कि हमने पहले ही बात की थी कि हम CFR मीन्स कॉमन यूरोपियन फ्रेमवर्क और रेफरेंसेस की लेवल A1 कवर करेंगे in this video series of 10 minutes video series. So keep in touch. You are going to learn a lot of things if you spend at least 10 minutes regularly on this video and practice on social media, whether you are using any platform of social media, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever your means of communication is this. If you practice in your speaking skills as well as your writing skills, so you are going to know a lot of things. So do keep in touch. So our first lecture is on use of to be verbs. Most of the students, even most of the teachers, make mistakes while using be verbs. These are very important verbs. Keep in mind that these words are very important. Without knowing the basic structures of be verbs, you are not going to able write and speak fluently and effectively. So let's begin with the helping verb I. We use am, means am. With the helping verb you will use are. And there are three subjects, or you can say three personal pronouns. With these personal pronouns you will use is. For example, she is used for women or females. So you can she is, and he is used for men or male. Then you can use he is, and it is used for non-living things, or you can also use it for animals or birds. For example, mobile, you can use it instead of mobile. It is. Okay, it is. So we as a plural means the person here sitting here, the person sitting here, and I. Three, we commonly use we. With the we subject or personal pronouns, we use are. We are. Okay, and with the you, if I am pointing out at you, then I would say you are. Okay, you are. With the you helping verb, we will use are. You are. With the they means more than two persons. Two or more than two persons, we will use are. They are. They are. Remember, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are the personal pronouns. These are the personal pronouns. So there will be a different helping verbs with the different personal pronouns. So you need to remember these rules. For example, for its contractions, okay, contractions means shortened version or short form. What we say? Shortened version or short form. So with the contractions, we will use am. So for example, am, I am, you are, we are, they are, he is. You will pronounce he is, not he is. He is, he apostrophe s. He is, she apostrophe s. She is, okay, it apostrophe s. It's. Okay, so they are. These are the contractions. Contractions means shortened version or short form of any word is known as contraction. We pronounce like this one. So with the negative, how we have to make negative sentences, those were positive sentences. Positive, affirmative or assertive sentences. So नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में क्या यूज करेंगे? नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम नॉट यूज करेंगे आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम नॉट, आई एम नॉट, यू आर नॉट, you are not, he is not, he is not, he is not, it is not, it's not, it's not, we are not, we are not, we are not, you are not, you are not, they are not, they are not. You must be thinking that these are very basic structures. Why we need to focus them? Remember that these are most important things. These are most basic structures. If you are preparing for competitive exams, if you are intermediate students, or if you are studying in any university, keep in mind, without use of them, you are not going to make effective sentences. You are not going to speak more fluently. So remember, these are the basic structures. You need to learn them, you need to acquire them, and you need to use them in your speaking skills as well as your writing skills. So these were the negative sentences. How we make it interrogative sentences? अब सवाल कैसे बनाएं इनके? How we have to make the negative interrogative sentences? सवाल कैसे पूछ सकते हैं? अगर हम किसी से सवाल करते हैं तो how we have to make the questions? So it's very easy. It's very easy. How? You just simple put the helping verb before the subject. आपको subject से पहले क्या करना है? A helping verb use करना है. क्या use करना है? Helping verb before the subject. For example, I के साथ हम क्या use कर रहे थे? am. I am. Okay? तो अगर interrogative बनाएंगे am I, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले इस्तेमाल हो गया एम आई. और यू के साथ आप कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज कर रहे थे? और. यू के साथ यूज कर रहे थे और. सो अब हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आ जाएगा व्हेन यू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, आर यू, आर यू. सिमिलरली ही के साथ हम क्या यूज कर रहे थे? ही इज, ही इज. सो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस फॉर्म करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? इज ही. Remember, he is with you with the man or male. He हम male और man के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. और she is used for female or women. तो he, she is. तो she is, when you make interrogative sentences, what will you say? Is she? Is she? Okay. So it के साथ हम क्या इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे? It is. It is. So अभी क्या करेंगे interrogative sentences में? Is it? Is it? Okay. We के साथ हम क्या यूज कर रहे थे? और. तो पहले इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे. Are we? Are we? Okay. You are. You are affirmative sentences. इंट्रोगेटिव कैसे बनाएंगे? Are you? Are you? They are. They are is affirmative sentences. How you make it interrogative? Are they? Are they? See, it's very easier structures. These basic structures, these basic sentences make the mighty ocean. You must have learned the poem in your 9th class. Then little drops of water make the mighty ocean. जो little drops हैं वो आपका mighty ocean बनाते हैं. So these are the very important. आप इसे इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि these are very basic structure. Why should we need to practice them? Remember, if you ignore these words, you will not able to form effective sentences. You are not going to speak fluently and grammatically accurately without using of these words. So you cannot ignore them. Hope you understood my lecture. We will meet another lecture of level A1. हम level A1 के next lecture पे बात करेंगे. वो होगा अभी हम इनके sentences कैसे बनाएं, affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences, जो mostly classrooms में, आपकी daily conversation में, आपके home में आप इफ यू आर विजिटिंग पार्क और एनी यूनिवर्सिटी, आप फ्रेंड से बात करें, उनसे रिलेटेड जो सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं वो हम अमूमन यूज करते हैं रेगुलरली, बट वी नेग्लेक्ट देम। तो उससे हम कैसे इंप्रूव करें, हम कैसे अपने यूज में लाएं उस सेंटेंसेस को। तो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑन यूज ऑफ बी वर्ब्स, रूल्स ऑफ यूज ऑफ बी वर्ब्स. In next video we will be discussing on that one, and keep in touch.